we got this stuff in the mail. What is it? We're getting big stuff in the mail. It's that time in the van build where you're getting big stuff in the mail.
Big mystery box.
Uh-huh. We're getting sacred stuff in the mail.
We ordered so much stuff, we don't know what it is.
Oh, beans, dude. Dude, no way. This is a big deal. This is a really big deal. We got our own stickers, dude. Our own stickers. This is huge. I know they're tiny, but this is huge. Stickers, dude.
I was calling to tell you they just got delivered.
Yeah, I just opened them.
Do they look good?
Yeah, they're sick, dude.
Can you show me a picture?
Yeah, for sure. You're gonna be excited.
Yay.
Yeah, dude. Let me know if you want a sticker. I'm so stoked. Like, it feels so cool to say that. Man, cool. So today, I'm putting up stuff in the bathroom. I'm putting up shiplap and new lights and stuff like that. And we are really in mode getting ready to hit the road. And we're having a big yard sale. We're getting everything ready, and we're gonna talk to you guys about the plan and how we're gonna do it and when it's going down. We're getting big stuff in the mail. We got stickers. We are transforming into our goal.
Doesn't make any sense.
We are slowly but surely transforming into what we have always imagined. The goal.
Can we start it with you fucking up 50 times?
The goal is within reach. And I'm seeing the progress happen. I'm feeling the progress happen. Put up a lot of shiplap today.
Yay.
I made a lot of progress on the bathroom this week. And I've done some plumbing stuff in the van. Amanda made stickers and designed the stickers, and they're super awesome. And if you're interested in any stickers, then we would love to get you some. Riley needs food.
He's gonna die.
Riley needs food. Poop out, boy. But yeah, we got our solar panels in. We got the charge controller, the whole wiring kit to go solar. We got our super big ass fucking honking batteries, dude. They're insane. Just want to talk a little bit about our plan. So Amanda owns a house. We're juggling the house and the van. And what I mean by that is doing double duty with housework and van conversion.
And also cleaning out the house because we have too much stuff.
So much stuff. Yeah, gotta get rid of some stuff. We're having a big yard sale this weekend, hoping to make some money and get rid of a lot of stuff.
And then it's also summer, so we want to surf and hang out and enjoy the fact that it's summer and we won't be here for a while, but we have like so much to do. So it's like balancing everything.
That hits it on the head. Like, balance, like where's the balance between working on the house, working on the van, going to work, and, you know, making money to sustain all of this.
But also
Living and
eating
enjoying.
ice cream.
Yeah. Any chance that I get during the day, like the middle of the day, it's just it's just like, what can I get done? What can I focus on? And just like fully like tunnel vision right now with knocking stuff out and making progress. And it's kind of like an addicting feeling though too, which is a good thing.
And for me, it's like being at work and just like trying to organize everything like from work. So I cannot do anything to help when I'm at work, but I can like organize and plan and like work on the budget and like look for stuff online. And we're like almost done with the house, and we'll be able to rent the house out and make some money just from the fact that I own a house, and make some money to like travel and be on the road to sustain us for at least a little while before we have to like, you know, find a job, which shouldn't be too hard for the winter, but we'll get to have a few months of like fun, like freedom.
Yeah.
After this,
Yeah.
if we can finish it.
If we can finish it in time. Yeah, we kind of have a deadline in September, and if we can get everything done in September and have the house lined up with renters, then we will have a few months of pure freedom to go explore and go. We really, really are stoked about going to Mexico, and that is like all we're really thinking about right now. I know.
So the plan is like go south, so maybe Florida, Texas, and then into Mexico. So if y'all have any suggestions on the way, like that'd be super cool, or where to stay in Mexico, because neither one of us have ever been to Mexico. I know some of my friends actually used to live there and stuff, so y'all hit me up, let me know where to go.
We're like lost dogs.
For the right hand point breaks.
Thing.
But just to like kind of break down what we've actually accomplished so far, I would say, like we got, I mean, obviously everyone knows we got the van painted, we've got a bed, we've got a shower, we've got floors, we've started plumbing, and now we've got solar we just got in the mail. So a lot of like the basic stuff is like almost there.
Yeah.
And then with the house, we've done some upgrades. We're getting new tile in both the bathrooms because it was just gross. And then basically I have the really fun task of painting the entire house on the inside, so that should be fun. But we have a rental agency lined up out of Wrightsville Beach, North Carolina, so they're planning to rent it out for me, so we don't have to stress about having renters in the house while we're gone. Like someone else is gonna like worry about getting rent and doing background checks and all that stuff for us. So that's like one thing that's like off that I don't have to worry about, which is really nice. And then we just have to finish the van.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, like a few months back, thinking about like all the goals that we had laid out in front of us, it was like super hard to figure out where to start and like how to balance everything. And in a way, it's like you still feel in a way, I still feel some of that now, but it's actually like much easier looking back and seeing where we came from, because we had so much to do. Like whenever we like decided this, you know, to happen, we had so much to do. Like it was crazy. Like just to get started, to even get started, you know?
I think one thing that really helped with that was the spreadsheets.
Yes.
So we basically made a couple different spreadsheets. We have one with every single thing that we've bought or are gonna need for the van and the price of it. So that kind of helps us keep track of the budget and where it's at. And it has links to every single thing that we've bought. So definitely if you're like looking at a van build, let us know, because we'd be totally happy to share that with you guys. But also we have another spreadsheet with kind of like the next few months broken down into what needs to get done when and what we need to order when, so that we have it in time. So that if we had done that from the start, which would have been like almost impossible because we didn't really know what we were doing and it was just like overwhelming. But I think getting down to like having less than 3 months left, that has really helped to like organize it and have it all in one place. Plus we're like ordering a bunch of stuff now, so having everything here also makes it feel better.
Yeah, that was something that we kind of realized needed to happen like a while ago. It was like, it's like you don't want to just like order a bunch of stuff when you're not really ready to put it in, but it's like if you are ready to put it in, you won't be able to unless you have it. So if you're really committed, then you need to go ahead and just get whatever you can kind of figure out in your head that you need to install and just like have it and put it somewhere, store it somewhere, and just have it available. Because like then you're really committed and you know what it looks like and you can actually like measure the physical thing, and that helped a lot. Like just getting stuff and seeing it and like looking at it and being like, oh, it needs to be installed like this, and like that was a huge step for sure.
Riley's
Riley, no!
He's like, they're busy. I'm gonna eat their cookies.
Cookies, dude. Cookie snatcher. Yeah, when it comes to like, I guess like doing all this stuff together, both of us really complement each other in many ways with getting things done. She definitely like it's split right in the middle usually, but it's not always like that with, you know, things that are happening and things that need to get done. It's just like the stuff that she's really good at and knows how to handle. Like it's just not my specialty, you know? Like planning and like making the spreadsheets and kind of like making sure that like we're doing what we're supposed to be doing. This Saturday, what will be the date?
22nd.
This Saturday, June 22nd, we're having a big yard sale, getting rid of a lot of stuff so we can get ready to actually hit the road and make it happen. So if you want to come down and check it out or just hang out.
I'm also gonna have cookies. I mean, why
forgot.
wouldn't you come?
I forgot about that.
Cookies.
So yeah, if you want to just like come, you know, eat cookies, you have to buy them. No, I'm just kidding. Maybe.
50 cents.
But yeah, you know, come check out the van. I'll probably be working on the van while she's doing yard sale stuff.
Riley will be there.
Riley will be there. Come get a sticker. Yeah, definitely come down. We need to get rid of a lot of stuff and we need your help.
So in case you haven't, I guess in case you like really don't know us like personally, you don't really know what exactly our plan is, but we're planning to leave our jobs. Well, his job will end in September, but I'm going to leave my full-time job in September, which feels crazy, but I'm just gonna leave in September. And then we plan.
That's crazy.
Well, because I have to pay the mortgage still, it feels crazy. Once I don't have to pay the mortgage anymore, then it'll be like amazing. But
Yeah.
you smell bad, and I can't believe you did that to me.
I tooted bad.
Why, when we're sitting here and I can't get away,
'Cause
and we're trying to do this?
Had so much coffee, ice cream.
No, that is no excuse to.
Anyway,
It's just sitting there. I can't do anything. We plan to leave in September, so the van needs to be done in September, and basically it is just studs right now. No, but we've made a lot of progress, but we have a deadline, kind of, if we want to have time to travel. Because we want to leave here in September and then spend pretty much all of September, October, and into November traveling. And we know that once we get to Mexico, we probably aren't going to want to leave. So we're going to want to have as much time as possible there, because then we're going to go up to California, somewhere in the mountains. We haven't exactly decided where yet, but we're leaning towards one area more than the other, and try to spend the winter there. Hopefully get jobs. If not, kind of figure it out as we go. But spend the winter up in the mountains in California. That way we can drive to the ocean and surf whenever we want to. And then next spring, we'll spend a few months traveling, and then we'll be back here for next summer. So it's not like we're leaving completely to live in the van all the time. We might end up living in the van next summer, we don't know, but traveling part-time, stationary part-time is the goal.
yeah. I don't know, it sounds like, you know, like hopping in a van, going to Mexico, and just going to California to surf and snowboard. And it's like, yeah, that's fucking sick. And it's actually a lot of work to get there. It's a lot of work. Like, it may just, like, as I say it, like, oh yeah, we're building a van and we're going to California. It sounds so sweet because it is, but it's more than that. And like I said, like thinking back to where we were like a few months ago, it's like there was so much to do to even get started. So it's like, not trying to intimidate anyone, but like it is a lot of work, and that's why it's like such a great thing, because it is hard to make happen and it takes a lot of motivation to do.
Especially when you're working full-time.
Yes, definitely.
Jobs that are like not necessarily like what you're passionate about, so it makes it really hard when you go to work and you come home drained every day because you just don't really want to be there. For him, his job, he loves it now, but before hated his job like completely. So it's hard to come home and be drained from work and then go work on something else.
Yeah.
But
in a way, sometimes too, but it can be nice too, because like you were somewhere that you didn't want to be, and then you get to like do something you really love. But it's like, yeah, having the energy to get started on it can be. Hope to see you guys at the garage sale. Those of you who live here. Starting to feel more like I'm talking to people versus just like my camera memory card. Like, oh yeah, I'm just talking to like the 7 people that will watch this. But now it's like, I have.
you guys are our biggest fans.
Yeah.
We love you.
Yeah, seriously, dude. 74 subs these days. Like,
We're
wow.
almost to 100.
Almost to 100.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
We love you.
Yes. Make sure to comment, subscribe, and like this video. Turn on notifications. Press the bell, and you'll be notified every time we upload a video. So.
And we hope you guys have a really, really good week.
Aw.
Yeah.
Yeah, for sure. Okay. See you on Monday.